Okay, so modular UPSs are about creating a situation where you're not having hands-on in the UPS. The idea is that you can remove any part of the system with the system working live. So you can remove a power module, you can remove a battery module, you can remove a bypass with the system running, protecting the customer's load. So it's about keeping the mean time to repair as short as possible. Ideally, the quicker you can get that machine up and running, the better the customer's protection is, the safer they feel, the happier they are with the situation. But it's about reducing the human risk. You don't want technicians putting hands in to a UPS. If you can remove that, the safety goes up. The efficiency of the system is much greater. You're reducing the single point of failure. So overall, what you end up with is a system that is far better balanced, gives a customer more flexibility, more scalability, and better safety. Almost certainly edge computing is having a big effect. If you look at figures, for example, in EMEA, growth rate in modular UPS is about 1.3 compared to what it used to be. If you look at Asia, it's about 1.5. So as edge technology enters the market, as people start to become familiar with 5G and 5G networks roll out, things have to happen closer to the point where the data is actually being generated and being used. So modular technology allows people to build systems, smaller scale, which they can keep up and running. Going back to what we said previously about making sure the system is up and running as often as possible. So your mean time between failures need to reduce, your mean time to repair needs to reduce, the interventions need to be less, the system reliability has got to be higher, and you remove a single point of failure. Okay, so modular is one of these words that gets banded around in the industry. It's become a buzzword, and modular means different things to different people. Demystifying modular is not necessarily an easy thing to do. But when you look at true modular, essentially what you're saying is you should be able to take any part of your entire UPS system out of the equation and keep your system running in online double conversion mode. That's what true modular means. Anybody should be able to take a power module, anybody should be able to take a battery module, you should be able to take a bypass, and you should be able to change these things with the entire infrastructure up and running. The more you can limit the downtime, the higher the success rate of the service operations and things of this nature. So true modularity is rare. There are very few true modular UPS on the market. It's probably one area that more than anything, the market needs to continue to innovate and drive forward. And I think that's where, certainly with Socomec, that's where we've been at the forefront of that for many, many years. Innovation is a key part of what we do. And the modular systems that we're producing now mean that you can take a bypass out with the system in double conversion mode, still protecting the load, and you can change it. And it takes minutes. If you want to change a 200 kilowatt power module, it's less than 5 minutes. It's such a simple operation. It doesn't involve the need to have highly skilled, trained technicians spending hours with a machine offline. It's something that you can do fast, quick, and easy, and safely.